we want to find the LCM of 15 and 5. Let's go. We slot in the 15 here and we write the 5 there. So what's the smallest number that can go, or that 15 can divide, that there will be no remainder, or 5 can divide that there will be no remainder? It's not 2, no. I think we can try 3. So 3 into 15 will give us 5. That is 15 divided by 3 should give us number 5. 3 into 5, no, there will be a remainder. So let's 5b. Let's leave 5 as it is. So can we still continue using the 3? No. We have 5, 5. So here all we need to just use now is the number 5. Because 5 into 5 will give us 1. That's 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. So once we get to 1, 1 at the bottom, we have reached the end of the procedure. So what numbers have we generated? We generated 3 and 5. So now we have 3 and we have 5. So these are the numbers that will give us the LCM of 15 and 5. So what do we do with these two numbers? We multiply them by each other. So 3 multiplied by 5 should give us what? 15. Is that what you got? Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is 15. That is, the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Okay. Hello! Here we want to find the LCM of 4 in 10. Let's go. This. So we slot in this 4 here, we slot in the 10 there. So what is that small number, the smallest that 4 can divide, that there will be no remainder? That 10 can divide, that there will be no remainder. We don't want to use 1. We always start with 2. We should go this procedure. So let's say 2. Yeah, 2. Yeah, go. Okay, 2 here. 2 into 4, that's 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 2 into 10, how many 2 can we obtain from 10? That's 5. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Good. Can we still use 2? Yes, we can, because we have 2 here. So 2 is still continue. 2 into 2 will give us 1. So we are through with this column. We arrive at 1. Don't forget, anytime we get the 1 at the bottom, that's the end of that column. We do nothing else with it. From the hence forth. So we have 5 here. And 2 going to 5? Yes, but there will be a remainder. So we don't want something. We don't want a number that will give us a remainder. So in that case, that means 5, stay as you are. We are not going to touch you for now. But we'll touch the 2. So now we have 1 and 5. So what number can go in 5? 3 cannot. There will be a remainder. So the next number, neither can 4. So the next number will be 5. 5 will be divided by 5 and there will be no remainder. So here we put 5 here, 5. So once we leave this, because we're through with here. Once we're through, we just copy the last number. We do nothing with that column anymore. We're through. So the next 5 into 5 will give us 1. 5 divided by 5. We want to get 1, 1 as a bottom. That's the end of the procedure. So now we go to the numbers that we generated from this procedure. And what are the numbers? 2, 2, and 5. So here we have the 2, we have the 2, and the 5. So what do we do with these numbers? We multiply them by each other to get the LCM. So let's go. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 5 is what? I'll give you some seconds to think. 4 times 5 will give us 20. 2, 0. So the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. Bye. Oh, hello. this. So we slot in the 15 here, we slot in the 6 there. So what is this small number? The smallest that can go into this, either this number, or what is the smallest number that these numbers can divide that there will be no remainder? Should we try 2? Yes, we always have to attend to 2. Can 2? Yes, 2 can go into 6 but not into 15 because there will be a remainder. So we try 2. So since we cannot use 2 for 15, we let 15 be. We say 15, stay as you are. We will come back to you. So 2 into 6. 6 divided by 2, that's going to give us 3. So the next number we need to use is not 2 anymore. 2 cannot go into these two numbers without a remainder. So the next number should be what? Let me leave you to guess. 3. So we make 3. Fine. 3 into 15. Yes, it is possible. 15 divided by 3 should give us what? 5. 3 divided by 3 should give us 1. So for this column, we have 2 because I have 1 at the bottom, so we have 2 with that column. So now we are left with the column, this one. So what's the next number that we can use? That should be 5. 5, yeah, because 4 will leave a remainder. So it's 5. So 5 into 5 will give us 1. This we just write the 1 because we are 2. Once we are 2 with that column, we just keep copying the last number down. And then don't forget, once we get to 1, 1 at the bottom, that's the end of the procedure. What we are now concerned with is the numbers we generated from that procedure, which is 2, 3, and 5. So let's write it here. 2, 3, and 5. What do we do with these numbers? We multiply them by each other. So, what's the answer? 2 times 3 should give us 6. 6 times 5 should give us 30. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5, 3, 0. So, the LCM of 15 and 6 is 35. Hello there. We want to find the LCM of 14 and 10. Let's go. Yeah. You slot the 14 here, you slot the 10 there. So what's this small number that can divide either of these two without a remainder? That is 2. 2 into 14. 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. At least, how many 2 can you obtain from 7? How many 2 can you obtain from 14? That should be 7. 2 into 10, that's 10 divided by 2 should give us what? 5. Do we continue using 2? No. This 2 divided by 2 will result into a remainder. So we don't need that. So the next number should be 3. No. Even 3 here will leave a remainder. 3 into here will leave a remainder. So we cannot use 3. Can we try 4? Not even 4. 4 into here will leave a remainder. 4 into here will leave a remainder. So what do we do next? We try 5? And it looks like it. 5 will go here. So long as 1 can go into one of them, if not 2, if not both of them. So now 5, we can use 5. 5 into 7, no, there will be a remainder. So we let 7, we say 7, you just be as you are. Just stay there. We'll come back to you 7. Okay, so 5 into 5 now, that's 1. So once we get 1 at the bottom, we have to with that column. So now, what number, we only have 7 now to deal with. So what number? We try 5. Can we try 6? No. 6 into 7 will leave a remainder. So can we try 7? Yes, that's the only option we have there. So 7, here we go. Here we come 7. 7 into 7 you get to 1, 1, that is the end of the procedure. So now, which numbers did we generate from this procedure? 2 by 7. So we're at 2 by the 5 by the 7. What do we do with these numbers that we generated? We multiply them by each other. So what's the answer? 2 times 7 is what? 10. 10 times 7 will give us 70. 70. So there we have 70. So the LCM of 14 and the 10 is 70. 70. Goodbye for now. I hope you enjoyed this. Now, I'm sure you can handle any question or exercises on LCM. Goodbye for now. Please subscribe.